Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 6 whole and parts fractions. Part 3rd. Now today we study how to convert the improper into mixed or mixed into improper. Now first convert mixed into improper, mixed fraction into improper. First, convert mixed fraction into improper. Now, 3 1/4. This is a mixed fraction. First, we convert mixed into improper. There is a formula for whole number. In previous class, we also discussed this formula. Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. What is the formula? Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. What is our whole number? 3 is our whole number. 3 multiply. What is our denominator? 4 is our denominator plus 1. That is our numerator upon 4 is equal to 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 upon 4. Understand you? One more question. 7 3/8. Which is our whole number? 7 is our whole number. What is the formula? Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Again say the formula. Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Now 7 multiply 3, 7 multiply denominator is 8 plus numerator 3 upon denominator 8. 7 is our whole number, 8 is our denominator, then 3 is our numerator. Then 7 8 ja 56. 56 plus 3 59/8. First you understand this. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now improper into mixed fraction. Improper into mixed fraction. Yes. Listen here. 73 upon 9. What is our question? 73 upon 9. First you divide 73 divided by 9. First you divide 73 divided by 9. Then the table of 9, how many times gone? 8 times. Then 72, then minus 1. Here again our formula here. Quotient is your whole number, remainder is your numerator, then divisor is your denominator. What is the formula? Quotient R upon divisor, that is our denominator. Here quotient, what is our quotient? This ऐसे देखो, this come in first, then this come in upper side, this 1, then this come in downside. You understand? No. First you understand this quotient, then our remainder is our numerator, our divisor is our denominator. Again one more example, 25 upon 3. Again you divide this number, 25 divided by 3. Say the table of 3, how many times gone? 8 times. Then 24, then minus. Then what is our formula? Quotient, then remainder, then divisor. What is our quotient? 8 is our quotient. Then what is our remainder? 1 is our remainder. Then divisor is 3. Understand? You convert improper into mixed. Again one more example. Then first we divide this number, 37 divided by 5. Say the table of 5, how many times gone? 7 times, 35. Then subtract, you get 2, 0. Then what is the formula? Quotient, remainder and divisor. Then quotient is 7 is our quotient, then our remainder is 2, our divisor is 5. This is the improper into mixed fraction. Now comparing the fraction. Comparing the fraction. Yes, first 3 upon 18 and 5 upon 18. Look here, here both are denominators are same. This is a like fraction. Now you compare in numerator. Which is greater? 3 is greater, 5 is greater, 5 is greater. This is the greater fraction. Again 7 by 25 and 1 by 25. Here the denominators are same. Which is then you look the numerator. Which is greater? 7 is greater. Understand? Then when the numerators are same, now 5 by 8 and 5 by 3. Here the numerators are same, denominators are different. In this situation, the smaller the denominator is greater. Which is greater fraction? Smaller the denominator is greater. Here which the 5 by 3 is greater. Understand? No. 7 by 15 and 7 by 8. Look here. Here the denominators are different, numerators are same. Which is greater fraction? Smaller the denominator is greater. Then which is this is greater. Now here numerator and when the numerator and denominators are different, 3 by 8 and 2 by 3, 5. Here numerators are different, denominators are different. What do you do? Cross multiply. What do you do? Cross multiply. first numerator and second denominator, then first denominator and second numerator, then that is 3 multiply 5 here, 2 multiply 8 here 15, here 16. This is, then which is greater? 16 is greater, 15 is greater, 16 is greater. Therefore 3 by 8 and 2 by 5, which is greater? This 2 by 5 is greater. One more example. Seven by 15 and 3 by 4. Here the numerators are different, denominators are different. What do you do first? Cross multiply. This is cross multiply. First numerator and second denominator. 7 into 4. Then here 15 into 3. Then 7 4 ja 28. 15 3 ja 45. Which is greater? 45 is greater, 28 is greater, 45 is greater. Which fraction is this? 7 by 15, 3 by 4. Which is greater? This. Understand you? Then ordering of fraction, ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Then 3 by 25, 7 by 25, then 2 by 25, then 1 by 25. First you look, all denominators are same. All denominators are same. Then you look the numerators. Here 3, here 7, here 2, here 1. Which is smaller? Ascending means smaller to greater. Which is smaller? 1 by 25. Answer 1 by 25. Then 2 by 25. Then 3 by 25. Then 7 by 25. Then this is in ascending order. Here this question we write in descending order. Descending order. Which descending means greater to smaller. Which is greater? This 7 by 25. Then 3 by 25. Then 2 by 25. Then 1 by 25. Understand? This is in ascending order. This is in descending order. Next, another question. Four by 8, then 4 by 3, then 4 by 5, then 4 by 2. Here look, here all numerators are same. Here all numerators are same. Then first we arrange in ascending order, then descending order. Okay. First, which is the smallest fraction? Smaller the denominator is greater, then bigger the denominator is smaller the fraction. Which is the smaller fraction here? 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is smaller. 4 by 8. Then 4 by 5. Then 4 by 3. Then 4 by 2. Understand you? Then descending order. Which is the greater fraction? 4 by 2. 4 by 2, then 4 by 3, then 4 by 5, then 4 by 8. Understand you? This is the ascending and descending of same denominator. Then ascending and descending of different denominator. 1 by 3, 2 by 5, then 3 by 6, then 1 by 2. Look here, all the numerators are different, all the denominators are different. In this situation, first we find the LCM of all denominator. First we find the LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. First LCM of LCM of 3, 5, 6, 2. First you find the LCM of 3 denominator 3, 5, 6, 2. Here LCM we find 3, 5, 6, 2. First prime number 2. 2, the table of 2 is gone in 3. No. What do you do? As it is right. Here we as it is right. Here how many times gone? 3 times gone. Here 1 time. Again which table go? 3. 1 time as it is right. 1 time here 1. Then next 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. Our LCM is equal to 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. Then next step, LCM divided by first our fraction is 1 by 3 into LCM divided by each denominator. What is the second step? LCM divided by each denominator. 30 divided by 3, 10. We multiply by numerator and denominator. Next 2 by 5 multiply. 30 divided by 5, 6. Then 30 divided by 6, 5 upon 5. Then 1 by 2. 30 divided by 2, we get a 15. Okay, now multiply this. Here 10 upon 30, here 12 upon 30, here 15 upon 30, here also we change this number, both are in same question. We change this number. We here write 4, okay. Then this is also, we change this also in question. 4, here also 2. Again we go, all are in changes here. This question is, this we change this number. This side we change. This question we change. Yes. Yes, now our LCM is 30, then 30. Now we arrange this number. Then now here, look here. Then all denominators are same. Here all denominators are same. Now you look which is the ascending order. Find the ascending order, which is the smaller. 10. 10 means first fraction 1 by 3. Then 2 by 5. Then 3 by 6. Which is the descending order? 3 by 6, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. This is the ascending and descending order of unlike fractions. One more question. Here 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 3 by 6. Okay. First you find the LCM of here. First you look here, all numerators are same, no. Denominators are same, no. First you find the LCM of denominator. LCM of 4, 8 and 6. First you find the LCM 4, 8 and 6. Then 2 times here, 4 times here, 3 times. Again 2, 1 times, 2 times, as it is right. Again 2, 1, 1, 3 as it is right. Again 3, 1, 1, 1. LCM is 24. LCM is equal to 24. That is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Now next step, LCM divided by each denominator. 1 by 4 multiply 4. 24 divided by 4, 6. Here 1 by 8 multiply. 24 divided by 8, 3. Then 3 by 6. 24 divided by 6, 4. Then 6 upon 24. Then 3 upon 24. Then 12 upon 24. In ascending order, which is smaller? This. This is the smaller. All denominators are here same. Which is smaller? 1 by 8 is smaller than 1 by 4, then 3 by 6. Ascending order. Then descending order, 3 by 6, 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. Okay. Do question 4 A to D, question 5 A to D, all exercise 6.6 in notebook. Okay. Thank you.